Carolina up under a ton of water. The belt on around the park don't look like a park no more. It looks like a freaking pond or a lake. Never seen nothing like this. It's been crazy. I mean, this morning it didn't look like this. It was just, you know, small at the time. And now over a couple hours it's multiplied into this. I mean, it's crazy out here. I mean, down there at that bridge on the other side of the highway, the water is so high it's touching the bottom of the bridge. And as you can see, you have everybody and their brother out here looking at it and filming and taking pictures. I don't blame them either. I mean, in the whole park, years ago this park used to be, in real talk, used to be a pond. And now it is again. I mean, it's crazy. Well, look forward to part 2 of this, so I'm going to head on down to Dickerson and film down there and see what else is going on. This is Seaboard signing off.